Hello friends, welcome to Forensic Medicine by Dr. Paras, and now we are going to discuss chapter number 15, that is torture method, a smaller chapter.
Sir, this torture declaration was given by Declaration of Tokyo.
The word torture is telling you the meaning itself, that someone is tortured, and there are different guidelines, different manners, different names for the torture. The guidelines for medical profession in terms of torture is given by Declaration of Tokyo. In the medical profession also there is a torture, and this torture terminology is given by Declaration of Tokyo, and torture comes under IPC 330, my dear friends. Punishment for causing hurt during the torture would be given under 330 IPC. Then what are the methods of torture, my dear friends? One is telephono. What is telephono? Repeated blows, repeated slap on the ear. We hear something from the telephone, and telephone we put on the ear. So repeated slaps, if they are there on the ear, this is called as telephono. This technique is called as what's a telephono.
Then coming to the second technique called as falanga or bastinado. Bastinado this is telephono. Bastinado is beating over the soul, beating over the soul. The soul is getting beaten. You are tying someone, then you are continuously hitting onto the soul. This is how the torture is given to someone. Third is dry submarine. What do you mean by dry submarine? The word is telling you something. So what you can do right here, sir, you can take a plastic bag. If this is a person, right here, this is a person, unhappy obviously, you will take a plastic bag, green color is plastic bag, you can tie right here, sir, and you will tight it down. Moment you will tight it down, there will be asphyxia. There will be asphyxia. And this kind of dry submarine we also use for sexual pleasure. And this is also method of torture. Sexual pleasure and the torture, my dear friends. Sexual pleasure and the torture. Sexual pleasure and the torture. Now, there will be a fourth method of wet submarine. Forced immersion of head under water. Now you are forcing the head under water. This is water. If you keep head under water, then again there will be asphyxia. Then there is again asphyxia, my dear friends. Now this is the difference between dry and the wet. You can see right here, sir, with the help of this diagram. What is this? You can see the head of a person which is in the water. Head of person in water. Head of person is there in the water. Head of person is there in the water. And next is parrot's breech. Parrot's breech. Parrot's breech, hanging a person on pole or rod. You can see right here, sir. Hanging a person on rod or pole like this. Both the legs are tied. Both the hands are tied. Head down, my dear. This is parrot's breech. This is called as what, sir? Parrot's breech. Then sixth one is sawhorse. What is sawhorse? Sawhorse, you can see, making the person sit on the triangular surface. Making the person sit on the triangular surface. One leg this side, another leg this side. One leg this side, another leg this side. You will see there will be a central force which will be giving pain to person. The center of this would be giving pain to person, my dear friends, and this is a method of torture. Seventh would be black slave. What is black slave, my dear friends? Insertion of hot metallic rod into the anus of the victim. Anus of the victim. Anus of the victim, my dear friends. Insertion of hot metallic rod into the anus of the victim. You're putting the hot metallic rod into the anal canal. This is what black slave is. Then eighth method is L planton. Prolonged standing. If you are making someone stand for more than 4, 5, 6 hours, there will be intense pain, and this will become a method of torture, my dear friends. Then coming to the cattle's prod. Cattle's prod, you will see, giving electrical shock to the genitalia. The shock is given to the genitalia. Mostly it is used for the rape accused people. So cattle's prod giving electric shock to the genitalia. Then 10th is ghotana. What is ghotana? Rolling a heavy wooden log over the legs. We are taking a wooden log and we are continuously rolling over the legs. This is called as ghotana. Then coming dunking. Dunking. What is dunking? The whole body is inside the water. Whole body is inside the water. One more is there, sir. That is called as hoy talk. Hoy tying. In hoy tying, what is there? The person is in prone position. And we are tying both legs with both hands at the back. Both legs and both hands are at the back. So we'll revise all the torture method. So declaration was given by Tokyo. If it is getting any damage to the person, then this will be punished under 330 IPC. Then first method, beating the ear, is called as telefono. Then beating the soul is called as bastinado. Then sir, plastic bag on the head is called as dry submarine. Forced immersion of head underwater is called as wet submarine, my dear friends. Then coming parrot's breech, hanging someone on the rod or pole. Then sawhorse, one leg here, one leg there, my dear friends. Then black slave. What is black slave? Insertion of hot metallic rod into the anus of victim. Then L planton, there will be a prolonged standing. Then cattle's prod, giving electrical shock onto the genitalia. Then ghotana is heavy wooden log over the leg. Dunking is water inside the body, inside the water. And hot tying is in prone position. You will tie both the hands like this on the back and both the leg, and then you will tie the both hand with the both legs. Thank you so much, my dear friends.